Hello, everyone. Welcome to the second edition of Emerging Technology Summit, hosted by Webel, organized by ELITS in knowledge partnership with eGov magazine. I have with me a very special guest who has traveled all the way from Guwahati to this special conference. And first of all, I would like to introduce to all Ms. Gitanjali Bhattacharya, madam. She is the Secretary, Disaster Management Revenue Department from the Government of Assam. Ma'am, thank you so much for coming to this conference. I would like to ask you, since you have attended, I think most of the conference since morning, and it is really incredible to see IAS officers, bureaucrats attending and taking knowledge from the conference. So, what would be your key takeaways, some 2 to 3 points that you'll take back home, and then your feedback and any learning and any feedback for us as an organizer for this conference, ma'am?
First of all, Anuj, I like to congratulate and for organizing such a wonderful summit, and you have invited so many experts from different sphere and from the public sector, from the private sectors, and some advocates, some councils. So it is a wonderful experience that it is not only for the sharing my experience to others, but others are from the others also. I am learning so many things, and for that I would really love to congratulate you and wish you all the best to you and the state government of West Bengal for giving you support for such organizing such kind of summit. And I also like to invite you to northeastern states where the digital literacy is a little low in comparison to the other states. But at the same time, I feel proud of my state of Assam because in the last few years we have taken a lot of efforts in with the support of the government, and in the almost in the all departments in Assam now are digitally advanced, and they have all are using the digital applications and end to end, and in the front is the applications are all in the online, and departments like transport, excise, agriculture, tourism, revenue, and all departments have taken it, and mostly in my department for the mitigation of disaster management, and for the land revenue collection, and the in other spheres or like registration and stamping in all sectors, collection of tax and non-tax revenue. So everywhere we have 100% digitalized, conceptualized, and the execution has been completed, and we are extending the services to the citizens fully digitalized format. And in my experience with the citizens and the feedback we are getting, that people are happy with that for the smart services rendered by the government. And we are also now we are coming to the paperless e-office from the top level, from the policy making to at the, up to the grassroots level. So it has also given a boost up and motivation to for a smarter work for the government officials. And we are also now working with the PP mode with the public and the private sectors. And definitely, we hope that with the knowledge we are just collected here, and on going back we could be able to give and some more new outlook, and to go for an citizen centric services in a better way. And thank you, Anuj, and thank you to ELATES, and the thank you to the government of West Bengal.
Thank you so much. Lovely having you here, ma'am. We would surely love to host you in our future conferences as well. And also soon we would love to come to the northeastern, part, especially in Guwahati, and organize similar type of conference with you. And this was Gitanjali, madam, the Secretary of Revenue and Disaster Management from Government of Assam. And this is Anuj signing off from eGov magazine.